Today I have brought a very nice product, Insurgency. It will definitely make you good money because of the time. Everything has become cheap, including these paid traffic has become very cheap. And instead of spending dollars, you can get these paid traffic for pennies. And this is a very good time to learn this trick from a world-renowned world-renowned traffic instructor who has himself made millions of dollars using these methods. To be a successful, you need these two things: traffic and offer, and not an ordinary offer where you get a commission of $5, $10. No, this is a product which will show you how to get access to very high value offers and which you can simply repeat every day and make money. These are the offers with big ticket commission, 3 4 figure payout, and installment conversions make commission even without a sale. Was never available earlier. For the first time, we will come to know how top converting traffic per dirt cheap payment. The way bank consistent commission today with laser targeted offer, including one that pays without requiring even a sale. You can keep getting commission and four figure paydays without creating contents, having your own products, without email listing or social audience, without building e-commerce fancy website, making posting videos, and being an expert in anything without waiting for result and without learning sale copy or marketing. This is a product where you find unlimited penny click traffic that converts, high paying done for you offers, and one click scaling to explode your results. Best part is you get result in the same day. You don't have to wait for months or weeks for getting this thing. Wave goodbye to unproven theories and stop guesswork, trial and error, or expensive testing. This is a real solution where you can get commission all day long. Just copy and paste three simple steps before now and getting result of this size and fast, very fast, even for gurus with unlimited budget and teams of experts pumping out content 24/7. Just the idea making of four-figure profit in a single day without a product list, audience, or experience. With insurgency, it's now happening every single day like clockwork. Without ideal combo of traffic and offers and timing, which is very, very important, it is not possible to make money. When you copy on the own leading traffic expert online, get results, and given the precise offer to link that traffic, commission become predictable. Instead of overpaying, overworking, and just hoping to get success, what if when you can copy how to lead traffic expert and size offers to link to that traffic, and commission then becomes very much predictable. You could just follow copy paste A to Z system with proven results. You could easily predict and quickly turn penny clicks into big ticket commission, and you could scale to life changing, become a flipping or switching. With insurgency, you have multiple ways to win. Use it as a standalone profit system, four figure a day. Leverage the traffic secrets to skyrocket result in any other campaign or business. Enter way you set up 24/7 automatic income with this unstoppable method. Why insurgency is the easiest big ticket commission method you have never seen. The maximum profit in shortest time. Your traffic offer have to work together. Insurgency is world's only system that integrates built-in penny-click traffic with top-paying offers for you. The virtual customer four-figure commission. These are the three simple steps. Activate The multiple included high ticket offer, handpicked for highest possible commission and conversions. Second, connect built-in penny click traffic just by copy paste exactly where we show you, no guesswork for you. And then your commission anytime you want, fast, hassle-free payouts. Let us talk about some detail about this product. This fronted product, which is costing you just $97. This is introduction to Facebook ad, including business manager setup, basic overview, explanation of the main feature, all types of custom audiences, pixel optimization, and step-by-step walkthrough on how to set up your very first ads campaign. All the training on the FE is done by Rashvin. He is one of the leading expert in Facebook ads in the entire industry, affiliate market area. Now, second, first upgrade will cost you $47, where it is a high ticket case studies. In this upgrade, Jashan will walk through the few real case studies where he used Facebook ads and sells tens of thousands of dollars worth high ticket product as an affiliate. He breaks the whole campaign down over the shoulder videos so you can follow along the replicate. Upgrade 2, Insurgency 10x pack. Get this license right to 10x award-winning digital product to bank 100% commission. It's like having a business in box that comes to your over to convert a sale, product support. Use what you have learned from FE and literally 10x your result to these products. Then third is upgrade 3 will cost you $197, unlimited traffic on demand. You are allowed buyers to place their pixel, Facebook and AdWords on the sale pages for 365 days to gather a huge AdWords or FE audience and take advantage of high targeting to laser targeted audience while getting penny clicks. Buyer of this package sees instant three figures day. Now number 4, this is a high ticket backdoor. With this upgrade, you are allowed to exclusive access of high ticket auto funnel. Comes complete with DFI ad, landing pages, and self-hosted webinar pages. You need to do is feed the funnel with penny clicks using what you have learned and cash $900 commission every time it goes through. Now last one, upgrade 5. You can sell Insurgency as your own product. It has all work is done, product training, sales material, funnel. You get to swipe all this and benefit from 100% funnel commission while handles will be supported by them. Now let us see what is inside you are getting in Insurgency. This is welcoming video, then Insurgency training, account bonus and manager setup. I am clicking here. This is a full video where you can get the ad account business manager. All details are shown. Then this is the overview. Then Facebook pixel and custom audiences. Then launching your first Facebook ad campaign. Facebook ad inside and optimization. Very, very important. Now let us discuss my bonuses which are worth over 2500. First is Auto X1 Access for free bonus below. You don't have to buy Auto 1, this is good enough for you. Then copy paste retargeting ad for Insurgency. There is a bonus. And how do I get ton of traffic from Bing ad bonus below? I will show you these bonuses inside. This is the first auto which you don't have to buy if you are because you are getting free as bonus from me. This is welcome to Insurgency Auto 1. The training, winning offer and lead capture pages, insurgents, ad setup and audience, Then all those case studies which is talking about are inside this training, and then additional trainings are there. Make 100 per day with FB, 100 per day by answering on Quora, then 550 to 200 per day by suggesting names, and 250 per day with YouTube. So these are the bonuses you will be getting free from me. Next bonus is limitless high ticket sales, which full details are there. Here you can drop the pixel code so that you are automatically getting uh, three-figure payday, and high ticket JV page is also inside this. Then this is your list building using FB product FB, and this Bing ad for list building. This is a very cheap way to build your list. So these are very high value bonuses which I am offering you. You can compare with others and check if anybody has these better bonuses. You can always buy from there. Otherwise, it is better to buy from me and get all these free bonuses. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just say goodbye to your hard work, learning curves, and maybes. Say hello to bulletproof and point by numbers and easy. Also, the insurgency, you are getting 100% money back guarantee for 30 days, totally unconditional. So, friend, what are you waiting? Just click the link below to get this amazing product and my insane bonuses. Thank you.